Hey y'all, it's Robert, and today at the Sweet Impact, we're making another character cake, and this time we're making the emotion anger from the movie Inside Out.
This is anger.
Now, anger is pretty much the exact opposite of me, but I do like this character. It's one of my favorites from the movie, so I wanted to give it a try. So to start this cake off, we're going to level and tort different cake layers. After all the cakes are leveled and torted, I'm then adding simple syrup because I'm going to carve this cake and I don't want them to dry out as I do this. I'm stacking the cake with vanilla buttercream, and then because this cake is going to be pretty tall, I'm also going to add in some dowels for support. I'm cutting all the dowels the exact same length before I insert those into the cake, and then I'm placing a cake board on top before I continue to stack the cake. Now that the cake is all stacked, I'm going to use a serrated knife to carve this cake to create more of the character shape. Now that the cake is all carved, I can now add the crumb coat, and this is just to make sure that I don't get any crumbs into the final coat. For the final coat, I'm using chocolate ganache, and this is a 3-to-1 ratio of chocolate to cream, and I'm going to mix that all together until it's combined, and then I'm going to add that to the cake. To smooth this cake out, I'm using both a cake comb and an acetate sheet because of the shape of the cake. So while the ganache is setting, I can start working on my modeling chocolate and rolling it out because that's what I'm designing this cake with.
What?
I can now add the modeling chocolate to the cake, but first I'm going to steam the ganache to make sure that the modeling chocolate actually sticks. Now that the cake is covered with a smooth base of modeling chocolate, I'm then going to use this template to mark where all of his features are, and this is going to make it easier for me to sculpt the cake.
Somewhere.
I'm now using modeling tools to help sculpt this cake and also adding more pieces of modeling chocolate around his eyes and his mouth to really create some depth. There are a lot of details to this character, especially around the shirt and the belt, so I'm having to spend a lot of time just to make sure that I have all this sculpted just right. last thing to add to the cake are his arms. And again, I'm using modeling chocolate to do this. And then I'm using modeling tools to blend and add detail to them. I can now start adding color to this cake, and I'm using edible paint to do this. I'm paying really close attention to the pupils on his eyes because it's both a combination of black and red, and I really wanted this to be seen on the cake. For more detail on this cake, I'm adding some black petal dust onto the corner of his eyes and his mouth, and this really creates more depth for the character. Because all the inside out emotions have this glow to them, I'm spraying the cake with this edible glaze to make the cake look shiny.
Ooh, this is gonna be good.
Check it out, this is the anger cake from Inside Out complete. This actually ended up being one of the most detailed cakes that I've ever done, and I really underestimated how difficult it would be, but I did still manage to pull it off. So if you like this cake, make sure that you like the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and be sure to hit the notification bell. It lets you know whenever I upload a new video, and if there's any other cakes that you want to see me make sure you leave those in the comments below. And until then, I'll see y'all in the next video.